What if I told you there's a Linux distro that looks like it was designed by a pixel perfect perfectionist, runs blazing fast even on old hardware, and still gives you the full raw power of Arch Linux underneath? That distro is Archcraft by Sahir, and today we're diving deep into what makes it genuinely special. Archcraft is a lightweight Linux distribution built directly on top of Arch Linux. Now, if you've heard of Arch, you probably know it has a reputation. It's powerful, it's minimal, but it can be notoriously difficult to set up. Archcraft solves exactly that problem. Instead of making you wrestle with a manual installation for hours, Archcraft ships as a ready to use system with everything pre configured: window managers, themes, icons, key bindings, the works. And the keyword here is window managers, not a full desktop environment. Archcraft uses lightweight WMs like Openbox, bspwm i3, and Swag, which is a huge part of why it feels so snappy and responsive. Here's where Archcraft really earns its reputation. The visual design is absolutely stunning out of the box. The developer, who goes by RDI1090X on GitHub, has poured an enormous amount of effort into making everything look cohesive. Every panel, every terminal, every right-click menu is carefully themed. And it's not just one look. Archcraft comes with dozens of built-in themes you can switch between in seconds. From dark, cyberpunk aesthetics to clean, minimal setups. It covers a huge range of styles. You can genuinely rise your desktop without installing a single extra package. What's more, because it uses Rofi as the application launcher and Polybar for the panel, every element is highly customizable if you want to go further. On the performance side, Archcraft is impressively light because it avoids heavy desktop environments like GNOME or KDE. It typically idles at around 600 to 700 megabytes of RAM, which makes it an excellent choice for older machines or anyone who just wants their system resources going toward actual work, not the desktop shell. Now, who is Archcraft best suited for? Honestly, it sits in a sweet spot. It's great for intermediate Linux users, people who are past the beginner stage and want the power of Arch without spending a weekend setting it up. It's also fantastic for anyone who loves customization and wants a beautiful system that doesn't sacrifice speed. Complete beginners might find the window manager workflow a little unfamiliar at first. There are no minimize buttons, and you navigate mostly through keyboard shortcuts. But the learning curve is genuinely manageable. Getting started with Archcraft is refreshingly simple. Head over to archcraft.io, download the ISO, and flash it to a USB drive using a tool like Balena Etcher or Ventoy. Boot from the USB and you'll land in a live environment so you can try it before installing anything. The installer is clean and guided, and the whole process typically takes under 15 minutes. Once you're in, you'll have access to Pacman, Arch's package manager, and the AUR, the Arch user repository, which gives you access to thousands of community maintained packages. Basically, anything you can install on Arch, you can install on Archcraft. So to wrap it up, Archcraft is what happens when someone takes the raw power of Arch Linux and wraps it in one of the most thoughtfully designed desktop experiences in the Linux world. It's fast, it's gorgeous, and it's surprisingly accessible. If you've been curious about Arch but felt intimidated, or if you're just tired of your desktop looking like every other Linux install, give Archcraft a serious look. I'll drop the link in the description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We talk about Linux, open source, and all things tech every week. I'll see you in the next one. The next